Next we want to install Filament admin PHP, but before we can do that we need to install Livewire, as Filament depends on Livewire to run. Okay, so we're going to head over to Livewire. Livewire is a modern full stack framework for Laravel that makes building dynamic interfaces simple without leaving the comfort of Laravel. So if you're not heavy on JavaScript, if you're not really good at that kind of stuff, Laravel does a lot of the heavy lifting for you, and you can work within PHP. Okay, so let's head over to the docs, and we're going to install the latest Livewire. I'm just going to open up my project folder again. Okay, and there we're going to install Livewire. Okay, we just give that a second to run. Okay, once Livewire is installed, we're going to head over to Filament admin panel. This is the admin panel. We're going to go for version 3. And then we're going to install using this command here, composer require filament. Okay, while that's installing, let's have a look at the installation requirements for 3. PHP 8.1, Laravel 10, Livewire 3. So we've got all those things in place now that Filament is dependent on. And it looks like in Filament version 3 we've also got to install the panels flag, which is new. Don't think they have that on version 2. No. Take a look. Okay, so that's finished. We've got Filament admin installed. We're going to run the second command, install panels. Admin is the ID. Okay. So now if we head back over to our Laravel project, and you can find the admin panel /admin. And this is our Filament admin dashboard sign in. So first we want to create a new database. To do that, we're going to open our project in a code editor. We're going to go to the env file, and then we are going to edit out MySQL for SQLite, and we're going to replace the database with the path to our new database, which we've not yet created, but it will be in the file database, and we'll call it database.sqlite. Okay. As for the host, we can comment out the host, the port, and the username and the password. As soon as they were using SQLite, save this. Now we're going to navigate to our database folder, and in there we want to create a new database. Database SQLite. See if that's made it. There it is. And then back out of this folder into the main directory. Now we're going to try and migrate our database tables, PHP artisan migrate. Okay, let's run the tables. So next we want to try and create an admin user. PHP artisan make filament dash user. So this is where we find out if our migrations have worked, because there needs to be a user table obviously to create this admin user. Okay, so now if we open up our Laravel site back to the admin, just give that a quick refresh. Okay, and we put in these credentials that we just created for the admin user. See if we can log in. No, we get a nice error there. So what's that for the database path? Alright, let's have a look in the EMB. So it seems like the error is to do with this. I've seen this somewhere. Let me comment this out and put no path. This has worked for me in the past, by the way, but it seems like today it's not gonna. Let's just comment that out and save it. See if we can go in again. And there we are, into the Filament dashboard. We've got the dark theme, the light theme, and that's about it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps out the channel. For more web development content, you can follow me on X and LinkedIn, The Chilled Coder. Thanks again for watching. Ciao.